Want to get a jump start on your garden this year? I'm about to show you how to start seeds indoors this January so you can grow strong, healthy plants before spring even shows up. You don't need a fancy greenhouse or expensive gadgets. With just a few simple steps, you'll save money, grow fresher plants, and have a thriving garden that'll make your neighbors jealous. So, why bother starting seeds in January? Well, it gives vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs a head start. These guys need a little extra time to get big and strong before they move outdoors. When that first warm day hits, you'll be ready. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Here's what you need. Grab some seed trays or any small containers, a good seed starting mix, not just regular dirt, and a solid light source. A sunny window can work, but a small grow light is even better for those thick, vibrant seedlings. And don't forget your labels. Mixing up peppers and tomatoes? Not fun. Been there? Done that. Let's get started. Step 1. Fill your trays with damp seed starting mix. Step 2. Plant your seeds at the depth the packet says, usually about twice the seed size. Step 3. Water gently. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Step 4. Place your trays under a light or by your sunniest window, and try to keep things between 65 and 75 degrees. Check them every day, and if things get crowded, thin out the weakest seedlings. A few quick tips. Rotate your trays for even light. Don't drown your seeds. Too much water means mold. And a little airflow from a fan will help build strong stems. Be patient, stay consistent, and in 6 to 8 weeks, you'll be ready to transplant. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's make this your best gardening season yet.